Welcome to the Windows and Computer channel, and this is a quick video for Sunday. Yes, we are Sunday, March the 14th, 2021. This is a quick update for all of you Google Chrome users out there. I often talk about updates when they are important. So there's an important update once again. It's interesting to see how many really high critical severity flaws are in Google Chrome in the past few weeks. So make sure that you update your Chrome browser by going to the upper right corner if you want to see if you have the latest version. Three vertical dots go into Help and into About Google Chrome. Make sure that you have updated to 89.0.4389.90. So when we moved to version 89, already there was a very important critical security flaw that was fixed, that was exploited in the wild by hackers. Well, this week, an anonymous tip from somebody somewhere has actually tipped off Google that there was another high security flaw. It affects a thing called Blink, which is a rendering engine within the Google Chrome browser, and it apparently is also something that's exploited in the wild by hackers, which means that it's already known and it's probably been known for a while. So it is fixed. They issued an update on Friday to fix this because it was urgent to do so. So that's why you need to update to this latest version. Once again, to stay safe when you surf the web, it's extremely important for everybody to have this installed and update your Google Chrome browser if you want to make sure that nothing bad can happen. So interesting to see all the almost weekly security flaws that are high critical and exploited in the wild by Google Chrome browser. Now, this is within the Chromium rendering engine, which means that probably every browser that is based on Chromium will need to have an update to fix this. This one is for, of course, the Google Chrome browser, but I would guess that Microsoft Edge, Opera, and so on will all have updates to fix this flaw that is a Chromium flaw. So check it out. Once again, make sure that you update to the latest version of Google Chrome. Three vertical dots upper right corner, Help, and About Google Chrome. What you need to be is this version at least or later, 89.0.4389.90. No new features. Really, this is a bug fixing update. It is really to fix a high risk security flaw in Google Chrome. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.